I'm in college right now, and I'm also in a sorority.
I work my Mary Kay business exclusively online.
What I love is the freedom that it allows me in my life.
I am a homebody. I love being at home.
Have the flexibility, be the influencer on social media.
I decided to start Mary Kay because I knew I wanted something where I could work remote.
I was a freshman in college and was just looking for a way to make some extra income.
I wanted that opportunity to stay at home with my kids. I needed more flexibility because I had my second child.
Growing up, I was a very timid, shy person. I wanted to be a part of Mary Kay to meet people.
Being an influencer is like the top thing that my generation and younger wants to be. This is a really cool way to do both.
Once I graduated, I decided to start building my Mary Kay business on nights and weekends.
Mary Kay really had a lot of education that was easily available. It was 24/7, it was online.
It allows me to buy things that I need, and I don't have to depend on my parents for things that I want.
I love to just share my life because I'm constantly posting it on my social media, and they see that and they'll reach out and say, hey, I'd like to get one of those consultations.
It's so much fun that I have friends all over and we don't even live in the same town or the same state, which is really cool.
This kind of gave me like a rite of passage that I could work my business from home.
That's also the beauty of a Mary Kay business, is it can ebb and flow through the different seasons of your life.
Some days it's full glam and some days it's, comfy leggings, and I love that about my business.
This opportunity just fits because it gives us flexibility, it adapts, and we can work it around our lives.
Mary Kay just fits my life.
Mary Kay just fits.
It really just fits.